Hey guys, you're not ready for this. Look, Verdant AI is quietly becoming the secret weapon for developers who want pure speed, clean structure, and parallel coding power that feels unfair. And if you are building anything ambitious right now, you need this. We are making a full RTS game, Atom Assault, with tanks, missile launchers, AI logic, and crazy battle mechanics. And Verdant literally turned the hardest parts into a smooth workflow. Wait till you hear this. Let's dive in. So let's start with the Verdant standalone app. This thing is built for multitasking on a different level. You jump between tasks and nothing breaks. Nothing gets overwritten. Nothing collapses. It keeps full context for every thread, every agent, every experiment. And the magic is the parallel agent execution. You can deploy multiple AI agents at the same time, running different branches of your project, and they all stay perfectly isolated. No conflicts, no messy merges, no which branch did I break stress. Thanks to Verdant's isolated workspace system, every task gets its own clean experimental environment. You can try wild ideas, insane rewrites, or complicated refactors without ever touching your main build. Now, if you use VS Code, Verdant drops into your workflow like it was built for you. Plan, code, verify. It forces structure without slowing you down. You can map out your logic visually, plan components, generate code step by step, then verify everything early before bugs sink into your project. It is like having a second senior engineer sitting next to you, spotting mistakes the moment you make them and rewriting them before you even ask. And once you see it in action, the stories get wild. When we pushed our RTS tank game into Verdant, we threw everything at it. Behavior trees, collision logic, pathfinding for 20 units moving at once. Verdant split the whole workload into clean, isolated workspaces and fired up multiple agents in parallel. One took movement, one handled projectile physics, another built terrain interaction. All three finished clean with zero conflicts and merged instantly. Something that usually drags for days just collapsed into a few hours. Another friend of ours had this massive backend with over 150 messy files. Instead of touching the main repo and risking chaos, Verdant spawned multiple isolated workspaces, tested different refactor ideas in parallel, and only merged what passed verification. It basically did the job of a small team in one afternoon. Then there is this YouTube dev who used it for a full React dashboard rewrite. He swears the DiffLens view alone saved him 2 nights of debugging because he could finally see every change across branches with absolute clarity and roll back any experiments without losing anything. And one more that still blows my mind. A machine learning engineer fed Verdant subagents a huge codebase, and in minutes they mapped out the entire architecture. He said it was the first time an AI teammate actually felt useful instead of just answering prompts. These stories keep coming. The speed is real, the clarity is real, the workflow is clean. And every experienced dev walks away saying Verdant feels like coordinating a group of specialists instead of commanding a chatbot. Yes, there is a small learning curve at the beginning, but once you get the workflow, it becomes stupidly powerful. You get structured planning, early verification, smart subagents that understand your entire codebase, and parallel execution that honestly feels unfair. Verdant completely changed how we handle massive projects. It lets you build faster, catch mistakes before they spread, and try big ideas without any fear of breaking your main branch. And if you are building something that spans multiple modules, something like our RTS game with tanks firing, units reacting, AI coordinating, and code branching everywhere, Verdant is easily the strongest setup I touched this year. If you want to try it, jump into the free trial and get your hands dirty. And if you want more videos on AI tools, crypto, coding tricks, and behind the scenes of our AI-powered RTS game, hit that subscribe button and stick around. Big stuff coming. And before we wrap, here is a fast recap. Verdant gives you real parallel agent execution, clean, isolated workspaces for fearless experimentation, subagents that actually understand your codebase, structured planning right inside VS Code, smart verification that kills bugs early, and DiffLens clarity that makes every branch easy to track. It is the setup that lets you move like a whole team even when you are building solo. See you in the next one.